In this video, we are going to talk about should you be gold investing for 2022, so before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Gold can be purchased in the form of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, shares in gold miners and related firms, or a physical product. There are as many reasons for investing in metal as there are ways to make those investments for these individuals. Some say that gold is a barbarous relic that has lost its monetary value. Paper cash is the preferred form of payment in today's economy. They argue that the sole advantage of gold is that it is a substance used in jewelry. Those who believe gold is an asset with distinct inherent attributes that make it special and vital for investors to retain in their portfolios are on the opposite end of the spectrum. Gold's brief history. To completely comprehend the function of gold, one must first go back to the beginning of the gold market. Gold's use in culture predates the ancient Egyptians, who used it to create jewelry and sacred objects. Gold did not begin to function as money until approximately 560 BC. Merchants desired to produce a standardized, readily transferable type of money to make trading easier at the time. The answer appeared to be the development of a gold coin with a seal, as gold jewelry was already widely recognized across the world, with treasures from the Greek and Roman empires widely displayed in museums across the world, and Great Britain adopting its own metals-based currency in 775. Gold's prominence grew throughout Europe and the United Kingdom. The British pound, shillings, and pence were all predicated on the quantity of gold, or silver, they represented. Gold eventually became a symbol of wealth in Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas. Gold is one of the most well-established and mature investment markets accessible. It has long been a key commodity, with considerable applications in electronics and jewelry, and it is generally seen as a good safe haven for a variety of reasons as a market. What are the benefits of investing in gold? Before investing, most risk-averse investors look for three things: safety, liquidity, and rewards. While gold easily meets the first two standards, it also performs admirably in the third. The following are the two most compelling reasons to invest in gold. Number 1. Gold investments are advantageous because it outperforms inflation. Historically, the returns on gold investments have mirrored the pace of inflation. Number 2. Gold has an adverse relationship with stock market investments. If the stock market begins to tumble, gold, for example, will do well. Gold will function as a hedge against overall portfolio volatility if you include it as an investment option in your portfolio. How to invest in gold? Investing in gold is getting more accessible by the day. Here are a few fast strategies to get into gold investing. If you believe that holding gold in its physical form is hazardous and vulnerable to theft, purchasing it digitally and storing it in online vaults may be a better option. Digital gold is the purest form of gold. We all desire to increase our money and have a more secure financial future. Investments and saves will not only make you feel better about yourself, but they will also assist you in accumulating financial security and gaining economic freedom. Oro Pocket Gold is the Tezos chain's first real-world asset. With Oro Pocket, you can send gold or silver to anybody in the world in seconds without paying expensive costs. Indians place a high value on gold jewelry. Technology in the shape of jewelry, on the other hand, raises concerns about safety, extravagant pricing, and out-of-date designs. Then there are the manufacturing costs, which may be rather costly. Gold jewelry manufacturing expenses, which typically range between 6% and 14% of the cost of gold, and can reach up to 25% in the case of unique designs, are non-recoverable. Gold coin scheme. Jewelers, banks, non-banking finance companies, and, more recently, e-commerce websites are all places where gold coins can be acquired. The government has minted coins featuring the national emblem, Ashok Chakra, and Mahatma Gandhi inscribed on one side in the national emblem, Ashok Chakra, on the other. The coins will be available in denominations of 5 and 10 grams, while the bars will be accessible in amounts of 20 grams. Gold exchange-traded funds. Investing in gold exchange-traded funds is a more cost-effective way to hold paper gold ETF. Such transactions, buying and selling, are carried out on a stock exchange, NSE or BSE, with gold as the underlying stock. Furthermore, the low-cost gold ETF benefits from the high initial purchase and even selling fees involved with owning jewelry, bars, or coins. Price transparency is another advantage. The price at which it is acquired is most likely the closest to the genuine price of gold, therefore physical gold prices are the yardstick. The benefits and drawbacks of gold investing. Gold as an investment offers a number of advantages and disadvantages. Some of them are discussed next. What are the advantages? Number 1. Long-term value storage. Gold's performance has stood the test of time. This is why it's seen as a long-term investment. Sterling or white gold bars and coins may be the solution if you're thinking of saving for retirement or giving something to your children and grandchildren. Number 2. Hedge against inflation. In terms of being a long-term store of wealth, inflation has a negative impact on gold's value. This means that its value grows as the currency's purchasing power decreases. It might be due to the tangibility of the precious metal, which makes it a product. Number 3. Excessive liquidity. Due to its high liquidity, gold has been a popular investment option. As a result, there are several websites where you may buy or sell gold. This simplifies the process of converting your investment into cash, or liquidity. Number 4. Diversification of your portfolio. Another reason why individuals and businesses should invest in gold is to diversify their portfolios. It is self-evident that you should diversify your portfolio. This is an excellent strategy to safeguard yourself from the risks associated with market price fluctuations. Investing in gold diversifies your portfolio. You may also invest in stocks, bonds, and alternative assets from other industries in addition to this type of investing. Some drawbacks. Number 1. Hefty capital. Because gold has already established itself as a very valuable asset, investing in it will need a substantial quantity of money. It should be noted, however, that if you want to make considerable gains, you will need to invest a significant amount in other assets. Number 2. Storage and insurance for specialized items. Another challenge for gold investors may be locating specialized storage. You wouldn't want to put gold bars or coins under your desk or under your pillow at home. You must make certain that it is securely fastened. Number 3. Valuation's speculative nature. If you've ever wondered how gold's value is decided, you should know that supply and demand play a role. This highly speculative nature may be harmful to investors. After all, if the entire world agreed to devalue gold, the price would definitely plummet. Gold as an investment, predictions for the future. Gold is not subject to considerable price changes or volatility, although it is known to climb steadily as its uses and market demand grow. Furthermore, because gold is a scarce asset with a volatile supply, the markets are worth keeping an eye on, and forecasting gold prices for the next 10 years may typically result in positive returns over such a long period. In the realm of investing, there will always be risk and the prospect of a loss. Gold is no exception, but it has historically been one of the most secure assets. It is a valuable asset that will always be in demand. Whether for jewels or technology, as well as national banks and investors, another resource with an uncertain but finite quantity is gold. This availability is likewise steadily reducing, indicating that demand will grow in lockstep with the price. With the COVID-19 epidemic and the ongoing desire for a safe haven asset, the factors impacting future gold price estimates will only become more prominent. Gold as an investment, the bottom line. When compared to stock investments, the general benefit of sailing with gold investments is that the risks are smaller. In the long run, gold will always be profitable. It's a win-win situation. On the other hand, we can all agree that assets held in other forms, rather than gold, generate superior returns, not considering the risks associated. The outcome is mostly determined by the individual's needs, objectives, and what they are looking for. He may as well invest in gold if he judges that the points are in his favor. Do you have plans to invest in gold? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.